For Premier Dazzles subscription kit for March of 2018, this is what members are going to get. Well, plus there's one more thing. As always, members receive 4 sheets of Dazzles. Now, what's premier about it is they get them before anyone else on the planet. This is Art Nouveau. Now, I know you can't see it very much, but let me tell you, it is beautiful. And when I show you the card, well, actually, let me show you the card using it. Look at that. And do you see this card? It is glitter. Yes, that you're also getting. Every month, members get something extra, a little thing we call it. This is a glitter card, and isn't it gorgeous? And here's a tip. Because the card has glitter on both sides, you know you could cut this apart and get 2 cards out of it. You know, just saying, it might work for you. And I love how Susan has colored in with Spectrum Noir pens right through the Dazzles and into the silver glitter. It's just beautiful. And so that is your first sheet. It's the Art Nouveau. Now, it's not going to be available until the middle of April for the rest of the world. There's also a great big sheet, and this is Buttercup, and this will be out later in the year also. And this is an 8x9 sheet, and just really very fun. I'll show you a page using that. Members usually get one never before seen sheet of Dazzles, but this month they're getting 2. We thought it was quite appropriate to have St. Patrick's Day in this very fun green color with the gold foiling on the edges. And the second one is this wonderful embossed Dazzles. These are done on clear material, and you just lift them up like so, and you can place them on your papers. Just oh so beautiful. The silver finish is not available outside of this kit or in a different package, so it's not available individually. We always give you 6 papers. Now, these are taken from our paper collections. These 2 come from the Indigo Lace, and these come from Sparkle and Shine, which again will not be available until later this year. So there are 4 sheets. We select the papers to really highlight the Dazzles. Speaking of which, the newsletter does an excellent job of showing you step by step how to recreate all of the projects that you get. And there's a members only offer in addition. So let me show you the other projects. So to do the Buttercup, here is one card, and isn't this just lovely? Oh, so pretty, and I love the sparkle behind the flowers. And there's also a scrapbook page using the Buttercup, and here it is. Things are looking up, Buttercup, and just beautiful. I love this, such a large image. And that's what we get on those giant 8x9 sheets. Oh, so pretty. Very nice putting that on the pattern paper and cutting them out. And then we also have our St. Patrick's Day, and very fun to color that in. As you can see, this is a gatefold card. We've got that rainbow going to his pot of gold at the top, and luck of the Irish, we're saying. And of course, when it's St. Patrick's Day, everyone is Irish. And finally, as I said, that silver one. And here is what Debbie did. Now, she colored them, but she also put them on acetate so that she could lift the wings like so. Very fun, very different idea. I haven't seen this done before. And you know, I have failed to show you every single card is completed on the inside also. We never just leave you hanging with only the front done. So the instructions and everything is going to show you how to do the inside. Now, we call this Premier, as you can tell, as I've said, because members get these before anyone else, and that's why they're Premier. We also have Premier kits for scrapbooking, for card making, for stamps, for cutting dies, for mixed media made easy, all of them at paperwishes.com. Go over to the right-hand side, you'll see the monthly kits, and we invite you to join us for creativity and brand new things before anybody else every single month.